In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll all the way down to click on this section called System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Last but not least, tap on Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip, I always recommend to tap on autocorrection on the left, and if you decide that you want to use it, also try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. And if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!